Hey guys, how many of you get people that say, hi new friend, but yet they didn't add you? Don't they know that we can check that out? I mean, I don't know. I don't understand why people do that. I guess they think that if they say that, then they'll get a free subscriber. If you're going to subscribe, but don't say, hey friend, you know, if you have no intention of following people back. I mean, if you're going to sit there and say that you just followed them and you didn't, just to let you know, there's ways to find out. So, you know, I try to follow everybody that follows me. I don't tell people I follow them unless I really am following them. I can't get to everybody's video every day, but I try to. I'll take a day to where, you know, I just go to everybody that comments on my page. I don't always comment, but I always like, and I watch it from start to finish. I play the commercials, you name it. So whoever comments on my video, I will normally click on their post and go right to their channel. And that's how I do it. Anyway, I love you guys. I hope this finds you in a great mood. I just want to say God bless you all. I really do hope that your weeks to come are very blessed. I hope that this finds you healthy. And for those with the losses from this COVID, I want to tell you I'm very deeply sorry for you. So God bless you. Stay safe. Wear your mask. And sanitize your hands. That's all you can do. That's all you can do. May God keep us all safe. I love you all. Bye. One more thing. Thank you so much for those still supporting me. Thank you so much for being here for me.
Where the skies are so clear with you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love